Today I thought I might record how to replace the memory in a Lenovo P500 laptop computer. This one had 6 gigs. I'm going to put 2 4 gig sticks in it. I've already removed most of the screws, so I'm just going to show you where they are so you know. You have under each peg, you have one under here, under each one. So there's 4 here. You got 3 in the front, and these 2. All of them will come out except these 2, which will stay in the bottom of the computer. Then you need to flip the laptop over, which I've already done this. And you need to remove the keyboard. All you need to do is reach under with a sharp utensil easily. Just reach underneath and pop it up. Just take it and it'll come right out. You'll have 2 wires. You just get down here and you see it. You need to pull this little black thing up a little bit. This wire will come out. Same thing here. Pull this one up, and this one will come out. Be careful with them. They are delicate. Set it to the side. In here, you have a screw here, here, down in here, this one, and then the one to remove the CD-ROM. Slide it back in so you can see it. So that would be the CD-ROM right here. You just pull it out, set it to the side. Then you can close the monitor, flip the computer back over. I like turning mine around, working from the back side. And you can just reach underneath and pull up. Once you're inside, you'll see the 2 RAMs right here, the 2 RAM chips. Just pop both sides here and here, and you can pull them out. And do the same thing for the bottom one. You need to look on the back side of it, and you'll see which one is which. This one says 4 gigs. See if I can get it to focus here. There you go. It's a 4 gig stick, 1600 RPM. So to put them back in and put the new one in, just simply push it in and push it down. Sorry I didn't record that one. You just push it in and down. And put it all back together. Reverse order. We're going to put the 3 screws back in here. As you see, I put the 3 back in. We're going to flip the laptop back over and come inside. I'm going to slide the CD-ROM back inside. Flip it in. And put all the screws back in here. And there you have it, to put all the inside screws back in. There's also one here, there, here, 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 and here. This is where we're going to replace the keyboard. I'll put it in correctly. And there you have it. A little tricky, but just be patient with it. You will get them in. Make sure you push the little black tabs back down once you get them on. And then we'll just simply snap it back in. Make sure it's snapped all the way around. And we close it, flip it, and we're going to put the rest of the screws back in. And there you have it. The screws are down inside there. You just take these and push them back down in once you're done. I've left this one out to show you what I was talking about earlier. How the screw will stay inside the... It doesn't come out, so don't try to pull these out. They don't come out of the base. Once you get all your screws back in and all your foot tabs pushed back down, you're done. Hope this video helps you. Thank you.